Hello, my dear subscribers and viewers. Welcome to my channel Perfect Nose. This is Evie. In this video, we discuss about how we can make our skin brighter naturally. Let's get into the video. Artificial products are easy for you guys to brighten up your skin, but it will lead to harmness of your skin and it is not eco-friendly. But natural products are eco-friendly and it doesn't harm your skin. Fruits not only gives us vitamins that needed for our body, but also we can use it to make our face brighter naturally. Fruits have antioxidants and vitamins that can make our skin brighter. No artificial products. I give you some facials that are made naturally. I recommend you guys to do a patch test before applying any mask to the entire face to check for allergies. First, orange pulp facial. Mash the pulp of ripe orange, mix 1 spoon of honey and turmeric powder until well combined. Apply the mixture evenly to your clean face and neck. Leave it on for 20 minutes, rinse with lukewarm water. And the next one is, take a few bananas and mash it, add 1 spoon of honey and 1 spoon of turmeric, mix it well and apply it into your face and neck. Leave it for 20 minutes and wash it off. And the next one is, take some fresh papaya and egg white, mix it well, apply it in your face and neck and leave it for 15 minutes and then wash it with water. Next one, take some strawberries and add 1 spoon of honey, smash the strawberries and mix it with honey, apply it to your face for 15 minutes and wash it with cold water. Next one, take watermelon and take out the seeds, mash the watermelon and add 1 spoon of honey and 1 spoon of almond oil, apply it in your face and neck evenly, leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and wash it with water. Wash your face before applying these masks. Clean your face and apply this mask. I recommend you guys, or I'm telling you guys, to do a patch test because some might have allergies for like fruits or maybe the honey or almond oil, anything, egg white, maybe anything, papaya, strawberry, watermelon. So I tell you guys to do a patch test before applying it. And the benefits of this fruit facial. Benefits, what benefits we can get from this facial? First, the glow, natural glow and nutrition to the skin, spotless and it's antibacterial, hydrated skin. It will improve the skin's health and appearance, remove dead skin cells, clean the skin and gives you a bright and glowing skin. And I had used first and the last face mask and it gives me a bright and glowing skin. You can use it twice a week or thrice a week as you wish. I had used it twice a week and it gives me a good glowing skin and it's a natural way, so it doesn't harm my skin and it's so soft after I remove the mask. So I recommend you guys to do it. And this is all for today videos, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and please comment down in this video that you have tried this or not, or you're going to try, or no, I'm just watching the video. If you really enjoy this video or you get anything benefit from this video, please give us a like, share to your friends for this fruit facial. That's mean it's natural, right? Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye, this is Evie.